8 All-Natural DIY Air Fresheners. Diffusing essential oils, many of which have antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, will help not just freshen the air, but purify it as well. Simply boil a pot of water, take it off the heat, and add a few drops of essential oil, such as lemon or eucalyptus. The scent of the oils will infuse the whole room. Also, consider investing in a candle, electric, car, or light ring diffuser. Wake up to the idea of using coffee to combat odors. Whether you grind it, brew it, or bake some beans in the oven, its smell is sure to enliven your senses and absorb odors, such as onions and garlic. Try setting out a few bowls of fresh ground coffee. Or, before offensive smells, like the trash, affect the whole room, place coffee grounds in the bottom of a new garbage bag. Create a pleasing potpourri with a blend of beautiful dried flowers, fragrant herbs, and essential oils that are sure to fragrance any room. Discover the secrets by reading up on how to make herbal potpourri. Lend a herbaceous scent to any room by placing freshly snipped herbs, such as geranium, peppermint, rosemary, and lavender, in tied bouquets or in small bud vases. They are especially attractive when placed in odd-numbered groupings, e.g., 3 or 5, on a dining room table. What could be greener than houseplants? Several different plants purify the air by reducing indoor allergens and pollutants. Researcher Kamal Meedal explains how 3 specific plants, Areca palm, mother-in-law's tongue, and the money plant, purify the air, reduce energy consumption in buildings, and reduce health risks, and more in his TED Talk, How to Grow Your Own Fresh Air. Get creative and discover the fun in making this age-old, room-freshening technique of hanging cured, dried oranges studded with cloves. Orange pomanders can also be hung in the pantry or closet as pest deterrents due to the chemical constituents in the clove buds. This air freshening idea has long been used by real estate agents, holiday celebrators, and cooks to freshen the whole house with an uplifting, spicy citrus scent and to combat cooking odors, such as fish and onions. As the essential oils are released from the citrus and spices, their antiseptic properties will naturally disinfect the air, and recipes are simple. Zap bacteria and disinfect the air naturally with vinegar. Fill an empty spray bottle with 1 part white vinegar to 4 parts water and spritz it into the air to freshen any room. Alternatively, place a bowl of vinegar in the kitchen to remove cooking smells. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.